Just this morning at 4:44 a.m. Indian Standard Time, a spacecraft the size of a vending machine purposely collided into an asteroid, Dimorphos, the size of a football field. Today, the world witnessed history as NASA conducted its first Planetary Defence test called the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. This was humanity's first test to ever verify the viability of being able to resist an asteroid's impact. While Dimorphos did not really pose any actual threat to Earth, this mission aimed to simply test the kinetic impactor method to redirect asteroids that might possibly threaten the planet in case of an actual threat someday. This kinetic impactor method used the force of mere kinetic energy to crash into and push Dimorphos in order to change the asteroid's motion and path in space. While further speculation from telescopic observations on Earth are currently underway to clearly determine the complete success of the mission, NASA has confirmed that they expect the impact to shorten Dimorphos' orbit by about 1% or roughly 10 minutes. The most destructive celestial impact happened 65 million years ago when an asteroid with a 5-kilometer radius crashed into Earth and gave us what we know today as the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact wiped out numerous plants and animal species, including dinosaurs. Only in 2019, an asteroid the size of a football field also passed by Earth very closely, and another, which was the size of a 747 jet, came extremely close to Earth in 2021. But all these asteroids were not expected guests. They were cosmic surprises. To avoid any such actual threat or surprise to Earth, this collision is a remarkable feat in bringing us one step closer to offset the impact of an actually dangerous asteroid passing by Earth, if it ever happens in the future. DART slammed itself into the asteroid, which was 9.6 million kilometers away at 22,500 kilometers per hour. The spacecraft, which was deployed in November last year, was carrying its own mini photography device called the Light Italian CubeSat for imaging asteroids to capture the event up close, which had been deployed from the spacecraft on 11 September. The device is programmed to record and capture DART's impact, getting images of the debris ejected from the collision and a view of the newly formed crater. The spacecraft had also been transmitting other images at a rate of 1 per second of the asteroid, which were captured by another camera which goes by the name Draco. The boulder-covered surface of the egg-shaped asteroid reminded scientists of Ryugu and Bennu, two other asteroids that have recently been visited by spacecrafts. Dimorphos, which means twin in Greek, is a 520 feet wide asteroid which is orbiting a much larger 2,560 feet wide asteroid called Didymos. So far, Dimorphos is thought by scientists to be an asteroid rubble pile comprising of weakly connected rocks. But further study by scientists over the next few weeks will give us a greater glimpse into the chemical composition of this asteroid. For The Print, this is Gauravi Narang. For more, log on to theprint.in and follow us on our social media handles.